Okay, let's try another example. 101 1101. So how many digit is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So yung ating guide ay 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. So kung ilan to? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay? Next, yung value nito, yung 1, yung 0, 2, sunod-sunod lang. From right to left. 4, 8, 16, and 32. Anong sabi? Pag may 0, cross out. Cross out. Next, bibilangin natin yung equivalent or yung value. So, 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So, 32 plus 8, 40 plus 4, 44 plus 1, 45. So, our answer is 45.